Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Yes, can you smell it in the air? Another fine day to go around and see how many assassinations I can rack up. And today we have a special showcase for you. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the shit show.
It's all about humanity.
You have been warned.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You can't touch this.
It's all about humanity.
No! Fucking piece of shit.
It's all about humanity.
Fuck!
It's all about humanity.
Knock!
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual Purge, commencing at the siren. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. May God be with you all.
Calm it down!
Triple kill!
Something live tonight! Sloppy.
You're so bad at this game.
Hey, back up, bitch, motherfucker! Changing back. Enemies taking Charlie. Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey you,
Hello,
now
motherfucker.
I see through, 'cause I know all that
Nope.
out in
Flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up.
We're holding two. We have the
It's
John C.
turning inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy. So don't stop me now.
Okay, let's go.
Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time. Don't stop me now. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars on a collision course. I am a satellite. I'm out of control. I'm a sex machine ready to reload. Like an atom bomb about to explode. I'm burning through the sky. Yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit.
Dude, how long have you been standing there?
An hour.
An hour?
Make a supersonic woman of you.
Damn.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time, good time. Run, bitch! Supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time.
Okay.
Yes, I'm having a
Victory screech!
Let the games begin. Play a game.
Probably not very frightening to a guy like you with these crazies. You can't stand it.
So when did the nut take over the nut house?
They scream and they cry.
Live or die.
Guess who's back?
Chainsaw to a gun. Come here, Snowflake. Tell me about sacrifice.
Not a reliable chainsaw.
go, big guy.
Doesn't leave here alive.
I decided to go for a little run. So I ran to the end of the road. And when I got there, I thought maybe I'd run to the end of town.
Hi.
Well, that's one way to end a video. Definitely my favorite way to end a match. I hope you guys like what you saw. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.